So hello everyone, good evening all of you. My name is Patel Maharshi and today I am back with a new problem statement. The problem number 1688, okay, and the problem tag was count of matches in tournament. So let us start our series. This is our fourth video of LeetCode series. So let us go. You're given an integer n, the numbers of teams in a tournament that has strange rules. Okay, so basically if the current number of team is even, each team gets paired with another team. A total number n by 2 matches are played, and n by 2 teams advance to the next round. If the current number of team is odd, one team randomly advances in the tournament and the rest gets paired. A total number of n minus 1 divided by 2 matches are played, and n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 teams advance to the next round. Return the number of matches played in the tournament until a winner is decided. So guys, this is our problem statement. So basically what the problem statement given us, a number n is equal to total teams in the tournament. So basically what the question tells us, okay, what the our task is calculate total number of matches played until one winner remains. Okay, so basically the rules of tournament is, if teams are even, so matches will be n by 2 and team going next n by 2. Okay, but if the teams are odd, okay, so matches will be n by 2 n minus 1 divided by 2. One team gets by, and team going next n minus 1 2 plus 1. Okay, n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, so basically there was an example 1. Okay, so basically if the teams are odd, okay, so output will 6. And if there was an explanation given in the example also, if the team gets odd, the in first round teams get 7, matches are 3, and teams are 4 advance. Okay, in second round teams 4, matches 2, and 2 teams advance. Okay, in third round only 2 teams, match will be 1, and 1 team is declared the winner. So basically the total number of matches is 6. So basically in this question I am going with two methods. Okay, first one is a simulation and second one is easier. Okay, so basically I am starting with a simulation method. Okay, so how I do with a step-by-step simulation method. Okay, so first of all we start the code, and first of all we initialize the match. Okay, so we initialize here. Okay, then after we start with a while loop. Okay, so basically continue until one team remains. So basically this while loop says that continue until one team remain. Okay, so then after we are going forward. Okay, so then after we check the two cases, if the teams are odd and if the teams are even. So basically we are start with the even also. Okay, and we are start with the odd also, but for my preference I am starting with even. Okay, so let us verify if the number of teams are even or odd. Okay, okay, So this is our case complete here for even matches. Okay, so basically as the example says, okay, so basically if the teams are odd or even, so basically it will terminate each other. Okay, so then after we will move forward to our if the teams are odd, so basically how we can get this. So basically we are going with the odd condition. Okay, if the teams are odd, then the matches are n-1 divided by 2, as I already explained previous in example. Okay, and the teams are going in the forward. Okay, n is equal to n minus 1, sorry, divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, so basically if the teams gets odd, then one team will get by and the next team will move forward to a next match. So basically these are the cases of even and odd. Then after in last we are just written, so this is our simulation method. As you see here, let us format the code. Okay, and let us check the code was right or wrong. It was right. Okay, so basically this is our simulation method, and then after I will switch here to a easy method. Okay guys, so basically easy method was, as I say, it in the core logic was the starts it starts with n teams. Okay, in the tournament there are many over team, and the team that given in our what I say, the given variable is n. Okay, and so basically the tournament start with n team and end with a one winner. So basically total teams eliminated in per match is equal to n minus 1. Okay guys, so basically total matches is equal to n minus 1. So basically I make them comment. Okay, hope there was no problem anymore. Okay, return n minus 1. So basically guys, this is our easiest method ever. Okay, I made a mistake. No, I didn't make a mistake. I made this just only. Let us check guys, it is right or wrong. Okay, so it is perfectly right. So basically guys, I'm giving you two method. First one is simulation method and second one is easier method. As our core logic was the our total teams minus 1 means basically the winner. Okay, so this is our simulation method and this is our easiest method. Okay, so basically guys, we are getting end to our video. Okay, stay continue with my series. Okay, hope. Thank you guys, goodbye.